Hey friends, you are welcome to my channel. In this video, you will definitely discover a super easy trick to have fun with your favorite WWE Champions 2019 game on a large screen including laptop. Everybody knows, this is an Android game, and we'll see how to install it on laptop. Just concentrate on the display and keep an eye on the tutorial in depth. Let us simply start out. First of all, start any internet browser, for instance Google Chrome, and you have to click the URL provided in video description. This is actually the URL you need to open. You will be forwarded to this page of BlueStacks WWE Champions 2019. Install WWE Champions 2019 on your computer using BlueStacks. If you want to enjoy games on laptop or computer, then BlueStacks is definitely helpful, and it works as an emulator. Simply press on Download WWE Champions 2019 for PC, and this game will be installed on your PC. The downloaded file is here now. We just click this file to open it. If permission or conditions show on the screen, then you'll have to answer yes and accept them. Let me minimize the internet browser, so that we can see the installer better. Now I'll select the directory where I have to install the game. If you'd like to customize the directory, then you can only hit Customize Installion. For now, we're not much interested in customizing directory, but we'll head over to Install Now button. It's going to download a few megabytes. In case you have a good internet connection, then the file will be downloaded immediately. Now it'll continue to the installation of the emulator. As you can see, the file is installed. This is the very first time it will open BlueStacks, therefore it is going to make a few configurations that it's only going to do now. The rest of the times it will not take too long to launch. Keep your eyes stick to the computer screen for the reason that we will clarify a crucial step now. We should get access to Google Play. Let's click on Sign In. Sign in once more, and it'll request us the credentials to log in to Google Play. You cannot still install this game without login because it is a Google Play game. We're also gonna log in now. We have logged into it, and we are welcomed. Click on I agree to accept the terms of use. It asks for making backup of our device in the cloud, but we don't require it, therefore we press No. It'll display the same setup as of cellular phone or even tablet, and if you will create a backup, it will save the data for future. We just accept it, and it'll quickly go to Google Play. Whenever you want to go to the desktop, click on this specific arrow. You will note these icons, BlueStacks Multi-Instance and also BlueStacks. Click BlueStacks so as to start the BlueStacks application. Right after completing all of essential parts, we have eventually gotten to the installation step. I will have to check out Google Play for installing this game. You know that there are several premium tools that you can obtain within the game, thus for that, you will have to select payment mode in Google Play. We're not planning on buying anything at all, therefore we are going to click the Skip option. Now, you can observe, my PC is actually downloading WWE Champions 2019. Speedier web connection is recommended to complete downloading instantly. Because it will take a few minutes to download, so I am going to cut this step in the video tutorial. Thus, it is now done installing, and as you can observe, it's now created one more icon on your computer's desktop, WWE Champions 2019, that will allow us to connect to the game without having to start the BlueStacks. When we restart the computer, we double-click this Windows desktop icon, and then the game will start. You have discovered the way to launch the game, however I will show you an alternate way to begin WWE Champions 2019 via BlueStacks. Simply click here to start WWE Champions 2019 and enjoy yourself. Here is the keyboard setting if you want to configure it. Because we are not serious to change keyboard options, and we will leave them as it is. Do you need to have fun with the game even on a large screen? If so, there are two methods. Look, this is how it is possible to maximize the screen by maximizing the emulator. Anyway, the screen will not get 100% large. By pushing F11, you will get 100% full screen for this game. That way, we will be able to play in full screen without having anything from Windows bothering us. In case you have a powerful laptop, then it will better support gaming within an emulator. So this is the way we have installed WWE Champions 2019 in personal computer. We will keep sharing such useful stuff for you, thus don't forget to subscribe to Usitility channel as well as give a thumb up to the video. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial, and we will bring some more fascinating stuff for all of you. Bye.